STEAM Lab, Week 2, August 27th, 2018. Teachers, this year I will be bringing in literature into the STEAM Lab. A book will be chosen that will correlate with the topic that's being taught. For this week, we've got Aug.27, Scientist. She's a little girl who's got an imagination. She's always curious. She wonders why there's pointy things on roses. And she embarks on finding facts and goes on missions to conduct scientific investigations and observations. And all of this leads to a lot of adventure for the readers. So this week, Aug.27, Scientist is the book. Right here we have a read aloud. This will need to be done in the classroom. This video will not be up in the STEAM Lab, so please allow this to be part of your lesson plans as you prepare. Maybe you can find a spot. I know you've already got yours completed, but if you can find a place for Aug.27, Scientist, if you can do this before you go into the STEAM Lab, it will be beneficial. This lesson is exactly the same as last week because I know you guys, not all of you got to everything. So this mainly is for those who did get to most of it. If you'll look right here, this yellow box is the new part. All this is the same. So what we can do here, if you finished everything, you will go into the lab. This video will be there. What does a scientist do? Preview prior to the lab. I'd like for you to watch it just so you can ask the higher level questions and lead discussion. So review this video before you show it to the kids. After they watch the video, the students will have sandpaper, and they will sand the little wooden chips that were there on the table last week. And they will notice the smell of wood. They can talk about that, draw, trace the wood in their journal, whatever you want to do with that. The second activity that they will be able to do is I will have cups or jars that have different scents, smells in them that they will identify. So an example, one would be coffee beans. Oh, I think that's coffee beans. So they would draw a picture of the coffee bean and try their best to write coffee. And I will have 5 or 6 different things for them to guess by using their sense of smell what the object is. So there you have it. That's really the only new thing with this being the first week. I hope you get to all of it. If not, feel free to keep this lesson plan. I guess you can do it in your classroom, but this will be the end for this lesson. I will have an email that has week 3 already ready for you. I would suggest that you go ahead and look at that and prepare a week in advance. So if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Have fun reading Aug.27, Scientist.